Chapter 3. Okay, pups. Mrs. Horn said, clamping her paws. Paws for a chicken. The turquoise horn sparkled for the morning sun. The sun that came across the window. Glitter, flash, sparkle, and formed a half circle with the rest of their classmates. Their barking died down, they remained quiet immediately as they turned with their eyes focused on their teacher. Miss Horns only taught the most fascinating lessons. Paws down. You've been at Cutiecorns Academy for a few weeks now, and you're all doing a doggone wonderful job, Mrs. Horn said kindly. So today, we're going to try something new. Has anybody ever felt like your magic was too big for you? The pups all looked around quizzically. Flash's posh in there. I think so. The other day I was using my magic to put toothpaste in my toothbrush. I don't know what exactly happened, but my toothpaste exploded everywhere and my toothbrush went flying out the window. No, the pups all burst out laughing. Great example. Sounds like your shifting magic got a little out of control there, Flash, Mrs. Horn said, chuckling. But jokes aside, what we're going to work on today... Trick. You need your magic to be big, and sometimes you need to be small. Mrs. Horn divided the class into separate groups, into pairs. Glitter was teamed up with Flash to dance around and wagged her tail. Look out, Twinkle murmured to Glitter with a wink. She's so excited. I'm going to be surprised if her magic shifted her right out of the room for real. Excuse me. Don't forget what happened to that poor toothpaste. Glitter and Twinkle laughed and gave each other hugs. It was awesome to see her friend feeling happy and confident again. Glitter and Flash moved to the other corner of the room and worked on their magic. Thanks to their horns, they got pretty good at low-key magic. Quickly. In no time, Glitter's pink horn and Flash's purple horn were shining brightly. Pup-tastic, Mrs. Horn said, joining. Now that you've both tapped to your question, I want you to try and intensify it, Glitter. You first. Glitter stood perfectly still, concentrating hard. The whole area around her was filled with a warm pink glow. As she felt her magic grow bigger and stronger. She focused on Flash, sensing the magic extending from her piece of fur. Now make your magic small again, Mrs. Horn instructed. She focused in on Flash, sensing the magic extending from Mary. Oops. You can do it. You're in control. Glitter squeezed her eyes shut. Hot dog! This part was hard. She hadn't practiced making her magic small at all. Usually she was done using her magic, she just stopped paying attention at all. Slowly, Glitter was able to pull her magic back until her horn emitted the faintest gleam in the sky. What a fabulous job! Mrs. Horn barked, clapping her paws together. Excellent control there, Glitter. Glitter beamed proudly, turning to Flash. How did that feel to you? She asked. Flash leaped in her paws, dashing around in a blur. It was awesome, she cried. When your hair magic got bigger and stronger, it was like I was wrapped in a soft blanket, so I felt safe and cozy. I was incredible, like a super puppy. Do it again, do it again. Mrs. Horn laughed. Why don't you take your turn now, Flash? Flash stepped in, running in at once. When it came to her magic, she was all business. She sat still, facing Glitter. Nice and easy now, girls, Mrs. Horn said softly. Glitter, are you ready? Glitter nodded. Flash had a lot of energy, but she was incredible at using her magic. Glitter knew she was in good paws. So Flash's horn began to glow purple. Glitter felt herself sliding backwards. First she moved slowly, then a bit faster. Wow, it was like she was gliding at an ice skating rink. As Glitter reached the opposite side of the room, she felt herself slide to a gentle stop. A few moments later, she was moving back toward Flash and Mr. Horn. When she reached them, she leaped up into the air, prowling. Flash! Amazing! What an amazing job! She barked, clapping her paws around her friend. I could tell your magic was under control all the time. Flash danced around in triumph for a minute. She then sat down for a heap. You're the biggest thing you ever moved with my magic. I'm doggone tired, she sighed. Me too, Glitter yawned and sat down next to her friend. Flash's snout rested on her shoulder. Mrs. Horn gave him a kind smile and a round of applause. You certainly deserve a break, girls. I'm proud of you both. She moved along to work with some of the other pups. Glitter sighed happily, watching her classmates work to control the time and intensity of their magic. It's Twinkle's turn. Look! She answered the Flash. But Flash didn't answer. Glitter glanced down in surprise. Hot dog! Flash was taking a nap.